What's up YouTube, it's SPEEDY here, and today we're doing another Speedy car review with this 1971 Mustang 20 car. Now let's open this. Now what's different about this one is metal on metal, which is cool. I wish they had a pro stock one where I bought this, but I got this. It has no front headlights, just clear. Like the Tampa work and the sponsors. It says Jason Richmond on the side. Metal on metal. It's cool. Like that. Rocks. With the interior. If I can get the focus. The same chrome as the base, but anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos in the future. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.